Okay, for those of you asking, I lost my last 10 pounds by going way down to 1,200 calories. I was 40% protein, 40% carbs, 20% fats. But since losing the weight, I've actually kept it off eating 1,500 calories, which is pretty awesome because I feel like it's a ton of food. So, anyway, the last couple of weeks I have been tracking my um, all my meals for 7 days so that I can share it with you. And I made a way for you to print it. I put all the recipes in a PDF. Anyway, so I'll share the links to that. I have a video next with all the meals for the last 7 days and what I've been eating to get 1,500 calories. And I promise I'm not hungry. Like, it is a lot of food in my opinion. So I hope you like it. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll put a link to where you can print it or where you can read my blog post about it in the description.
Okay guys, day one, meal one. I have an egg and cheese waffle, 2 slices of toast, 80 calories each. It's the Harper's homemade bran bread, and 1 medium banana. Okay, so I have here meal two. I have a chicken salad. It's got chicken, croutons, cucumbers, tomatoes, Bolthouse dressing, and feta cheese, and a couple of croutons for my grain, and then a bowl of sugar-free Jell-O for dessert. Okay, here's meal three. This is some protein pudding with protein powder, xanthan gum, some sugar-free pudding mix, and almond milk. So good. And this is meal four. There is 3 ounces of cooked ground beef, half a cup of white rice, cooked white rice, half a cup of cauliflower rice, some mushrooms, and peaches. This is my snack. Day two, I have non-fat Greek yogurt, plain, mixed with some vanilla protein powder, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and some sugar-free syrup to sweeten it up. So this final meal today is some zucchini noodles, some spaghetti sauce, some ground beef, 93% lean, and a dinner roll, and a tiny bit of feta on top, but you don't have to put the feta, totally optional. Okay, day three for this salad, I have chicken, tomatoes, turkey bacon, black beans, feta cheese, and some Bolthouse ranch dressing. Okay, here I am on day three with a strawberry protein shake. It has almond milk, a scoop of protein powder, and 170 grams of frozen strawberries. So this is a hamburger patty with cheese, tomato, lettuce, and a bun, and some sweet potatoes and broccoli on the side. This breakfast is a half a cup of Kodiak cake mix with 1 egg in it for the extra protein, and about a 1/3 cup water, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, a banana, and some sugar-free syrup. So this lunch has 4 ounces of cooked chicken breast, 2 slices of bran bread, they're 80 calories each slice, some carrots and some blueberries, and some light mayonnaise on the sandwich. So these are some sweet potato pancakes. I made them just using a Kodiak mix and adding sweet potatoes to it. And we also have some Greek yogurt and sugar-free syrup. So for this breakfast, I've got mushrooms, I've got a cup of egg whites and 1 full egg, a banana, small medium-ish banana, and 1 piece of toast. So this is a vanilla protein drink with a little less almond milk and some xanthan gum to thicken it up, and then some popcorn.